troubles are o'er, Mrs. Murphy, for the Dutchman next door tells me straight that the mine would start full-time on Monday. That's what he tells me at any rate. Sure, the boss man told Mickey this morning, as he's about to enter the mines, that the coal was quite scarce down in New York, and the breaker'd start up full-time. And it's sure if the news be true, me store bill's the first thing I'll pay. A stuffed parlor suit and a lounge I will buy, and an organ for Bridgie, hooray. Me calico shirt I'll throw into the dirt, and in silk ones won't I cut a shine. Cheer up, Mrs. Murphy, we all will eat turkey when the breaker starts up full time.